What I got going on here today is this happens to be a window switch that is kind of working intermittently. You keep pressing the buttons and occasionally it'll not work and then keep going and it'll work again. What we're going to do is first of all we're going to wear some eye protection and then clean off all the dirt that's on the outside of it. And I just use some compressed air. And now that we got that dust and dirt off of there, what I'm going to do, this is from a General Motors car. There's 3 tabs on here. I'm going to put 3 small screwdrivers underneath there and then pry this cover apart. So on this switch here, there are 2 little carbon things there that are on this switch here. I just simply carefully pried this open, pulled that out of there, and I'll do that on here. And if you look down in there very carefully, you can see there is a lot of carbon not focusing very well. What I'm going to do is take some electronics cleaner and then spray it down in here and take a Q-tip here and clean all that dirt and everything out of there and put it back together. Okay, you don't want to, this is very flammable and you don't want to get it in your eyes, so be real careful with that. And I'm just going to spray this in here and take a Q-tip here and then clean that out. Okay, I guess these aren't carbon, it's just a little piece of plastic there. Go ahead and snap this back together. Spray a little of this stuff on the back here. Clean that off as well. And snap it back together. Okay, what I'm going to do here is put a meter on the back here and test it. There's continuity on there, and make sure it's all together properly and working. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this spray here and on on the electrical connection, spray that and let it dry completely before I snap it back together.